we are doing some early morning packing. Very nice. It's 10:30. Checkout was at 10. We got woken up by the bell because my alarm, I failed.
You always fail, Irie.
Anyway, today's plans is we're gonna go Yokohama, and that's it. And then we'll head back. We're now arriving at Minato station we need to get to walk over to the Cup Noodle place, which also has the prayer room. So we just got to the Cup Museum, but it's a bit early. I mean, late, so there's a bit of a line. This individual has not stopped speaking since we've walked in the room. I don't know how she has the energy to do this for hours. Oh, she stopped. Oh, never mind. So there are no more tickets for the Cup Museum Factory, so a lot of people jumped out of line. But they still have spots for the Cup Noodles Park, which I'm not sure what that is yet actually. Welcome to the Cup Museum of Yokohama, where there is a museum about cup noodles. So this is the factory we missed out on, unfortunately, because we were a bit late, but that's okay. If I woke up at the alarm time, we would have been able to participate in this event, but unfortunately this is the result. We were successfully able to put our jackets away in a locker. Looks like a lot of people are leaving now, so hopefully we can have a good experience that's not too packed.
Now, 上映中の携帯電話、カメラ、ビデオカメラのご使用はご遠慮ください。やむを得ず途中退出をされる方は。
I don't know, does that mean no camera? This is the 6 creative cubes of Momo Fuku Ando's creative thinking. So first is discover something completely new. Second, find hints in all sorts of places. Third, nurture an idea. 4, look at things from every angle. And 5, don't just go to the status quo. Finally, 6, never give up. だからこそ Never give up!
Alright, so we clocked the Cup Museum and now we're heading over to the Gundam Factory. Michelle's gonna learn about Gundam. So Japan is incredible. You know, basically this line right here is for a staircase to cross the bridge. It's quite long, I honestly can't see the end of it. This is Christmas in Yokohama.
Yeah, I didn't know it'd be so busy.
Done it. The GoPro has died, but guess where we are? What do we got? RX-784. Gundam. Actually confident this thing moves. It's currently kneeling down. So apparently this robot builds little Gundams.
まだ絶望に沈む悲しみあるなら恐怖を払っていけよいけよいけよ渦巻く獅子を燃やせガンダム機動戦士ガンダムガンダム
We're going to this one.
Going to Gigo. So we're heading over now to Chinatown. One of the biggest Chinatowns in Japan.
This is the biggest Chinatown.
The biggest Chinatown. There you go, Chinatown.
I'm guessing this is a great Christmas spot because Chinese people don't celebrate Christmas.
Alright, just got some fucha for the future. We're gonna eat this tarts here on this log. We're getting a little gift for Chris's birthday. Basically gonna be drawing out her name in Chinese, but very nicely looking